3 ways to apply neck strips. Although some clients have bad breath, can't stop looking in the mirror while you're cutting them, or are just super picky, this is not the way to apply neck strips. The correct way is to come across the chest of your client, gently stretching your neck strip, crossing it in the back. Adjust your cape to a snug setting that won't choke your client, and fold the top of your neck strip over the collar of your cape so that the hair may slide off of the collar onto the cape. Here's another method. Simply bring the neck strip straight across the back of the neck, placing one side of the neck strip over the other. Holding your neck strip in place, adjust your cape as always, and fold the top of your neck strip over the collar of your cape. For the last method, we're going to come straight across again, making a nice secure hold, but then we're going to tuck one end of the neck strip underneath the other side and place the other side over the neck strip. Adjust your cape to a snug setting and fold the top of your neck strip over the collar of your cape.